Hey, is this Frank?
Yes, it is.
Hey, Frank, how's it going, man? This is Caleb. I was calling you back on this.
Oh, hey.
How's it going
Yep,
today?
pretty good.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, so I wanted to, touch base. I know we had missed each other a couple times, so that's my fault. I was got a little busy there the other day. So just wanted to kind of let you know how we work. It's a few of my partners. We kind of team up to, buy these houses either to fix them up and flip them, or keep them as a rental. And we're just actually, looking to add a few more right now. So if we are interested on this call, I'll be able to get you an offer, qualify this property, and get you a number. And if not, we'll at least have a reason why. Sounds fair to you?
Well, I want you to know right off the bat, this is not a wholesale property.
Okay.
This is a retail property. I mean, it's very nice, excellent inside and out. It's been updated inside and out. So, I'm actually on my way there now to show it to some people.
Okay.
So,
And when you say wholesale property,
What do you mean by that?
well, like
meaning?
you're a broker, correct?
No, I'm an investor.
Oh, okay. Well, like there's been a couple of brokers that's called, and I'm
Okay,
just like
got you.
a lowball offer and waste each other's time.
Right,
So,
right. So yeah, that's why I wanted to clarify what you meaning by that. Yeah, so I'm an investor, so obviously I'm here to make some money. But if it makes
right,
sense at the right number, then we'll move on it, right? And that's what this call is intended for, just to qualify it and see if it fits our buy box or not. So we not wasting anyone's time, and we can let you know right off the bat.
right.
Okay, so you said you got a showing scheduled right now.
Yes, I have one right now, and then I have two more later today.
Okay. Do you have a few minutes to speak, or how soon is your walkthrough?
Well, pulling up there now, so I don't know if they're there yet.
Okay.
So it's at 10 o'clock, and it's 10 till. So
Okay, got
what,
you.
what what do you need to know real quick?
Well, I mean, it would be a few minutes. Just going over some of the overall condition on this.
Okay.
Was it
The house is a complete remodel. I did it 6 years ago. It has new roof, new furnaces, new central air. Last year? I put two new garage doors on it with two new openers. Uh, it's an attached garage with a full basement. The bathrooms have all been remodeled and updated. It's got hardwood floors throughout. I put a new flooring in the bathroom, a new flooring in the kitchen,
okay?
and like I said, everything's newer and updated. So
Okay, yeah. So my partner is the one who actually sent me over this listing. That wanted me to reach out and ask a few questions on it. So I'm kind of curious as to how why he sent it over, because we're flippers, right? So we're looking for value
right.
add. So it don't sound like there's much room to go in and do upgrades. I will have to get this pulled up. What is this address? This 917 and
919,
nine
correct? Yeah,
nineteen. Let me look at these.
yeah, and I understand that because I'm a flipper myself.
Right.
I've done a few houses and I own a few duplex properties, and I'm just getting ready to move out of state, so I'm just going to
Okay.
unload the particular one. So
Got you. Got you. Where you moving to?
South Carolina.
Oh, nice. Okay, so you're getting a little coastal on me.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
no more snow, huh?
Yeah, but I tell you, it's my family. They want to go so bad, and they're all moving there. And I was like, I can't take the heat.
Right.
I like I can put clothes on and snow blow and all this.
Yeah, it's
That
easier.
doesn't
It's
work out.
easier to put more layers on as you get to a certain level. You run out of things to take off.
Yeah, so I'm at that point this week. This week and last week, I'm like, holy cow, I've been working outside. This is awful.
Yeah, I'm originally from Michigan myself, so I'm a northerner, to say the least,
Yeah,
Midwestern. So I definitely understand, and I'm out in Georgia now, and the heat it can be brutal, I will say.
oh, absolutely.
So let me ask you this. I mean, What's the reason you're looking to part with it from right now? Right now, why not just rent it out and just hold on to it, cash flow from
Well,
it?
I have a couple other properties that's exactly what I'm doing.
Okay, so
This one is just a financial move. I
gotcha.
bought, like you said, flippers. I bought it dirt cheap. It was abandoned for years, and I just remodeled it. And it's like, with the distance I'm going to be, I'm just going to unload it and
Right. So
use the money to buy properties down there. So
so you're gonna use this one to get a little bit more cash liquid. That way, when you get over to South Carolina, you have some things that you can move around a little quicker. Is what you're saying?
right,
Okay.
correct.
And is this currently vacant? Is it being rented out right now?
It's been rented the whole time. So
Okay. How much are you getting in rent each unit?
um, one's 900 and the other one's 700. But
Oh,
the
nice.
700 one, they're longtime friends, and I've just
Just gave them a break. Right. Yeah. Absolutely.
and know that they go, you're just been giving us such a deal, and they help me take care of the place. They mow the lawn, and if some maintenance needs done, they'll just go ahead and do it.
Yeah. Sure thing.
Stuff like
So is that 900? Is that market value, or is that still a bit under?
it's still a bit under.
Okay.
I've had these people in here for 3 years, and there's a Spanish immersion school down the street.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So they're from Spain, and I furnished it. And so they came from Spain to here. The school contacted me. I got a contact with them. And so they asked me if I have vacant properties. And so I put them up for the 2 to 3 years that they're here.
Mm-hmm.
And then they move out, and that means a new teacher's coming in, and then it's full again.
Right. Right.
So, they don't bring, they don't have to buy furniture, and lamps and toasters and all that stuff. They just got it. They're just ready to go.
Got
So
you.
and it's a walk to the school, so everybody's happy.
So this
and-
so this is a pretty good neighborhood over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
And,
we're actually in the process of. Go ahead.
The rent when they move out. So
We're actually in the process of closing on 2 other properties in Mansfield. That's why we're looking to kind of get a few over here. We're looking for mostly rentals, multifamily. Something obviously if we can go in with a value add. But I mean we're not opposed to putting an offer on something that's doesn't need a ton of work, right? I mean, long as it pencils and it cash flows for us, I mean, it's a win-win. So, in a perfect world, I mean, kind of walk me through what your ideal situation would be for this, because we're cash, we're flexible on closing, to get you over. I don't know your timeline to get over to South Carolina, but what would be the ideal situation for you at this moment?
well, I mean, a cash offer would be nice.
Right.
Just the higher the better.
Got you.
Like I said, I got 3 showings just today, so money talks, I guess you could say.
Absolutely. So, being that we are flippers and you're a flipper yourself, our cash offer would come in a bit lower. I mean, obviously it wouldn't be a low ball on something this clean. However, I can just get an overall assessment of this property, see what best numbers we can come up with. I got my underwriters and my partner in the next room. I can get them over all the details we discuss really quickly. That way they can come up with a number that's best for us. See if it aligns with your interests at all, and see if we can put something together on this. So what can you tell me about some of the upgrades you did 6 years ago?
Well, I just went over the whole thing. I mean, like I said, all major stuff is done. New roof, new furnace, new central air, hot water tank.
Okay.
Bathrooms are all new. New vanities, new flooring, new toilets. The kitchen, I just remodeled the cabinets. The cabinets are all a hardwood. I cleaned them up and painted them, and put new flooring in the kitchen and put new appliances in it.
Okay.
Redid the hardwood floors in the living room and up the steps and what have you. Put new garage doors on it.
Okay.
New openers. Put a new back porch on. That's
You went in and
new
put some,
gutters,
yeah, you put some work into this one, man. I see
yeah,
that.
new gutters, new downspouts. Um, that's pretty much.
So what timeline are you looking to, get something, get a decision made and move forward?
Well, I'm hoping within the next week or so.
Next week or so? Okay. Okay. And how soon are you trying to get it? Are you using it after this closed? Is that when you're going to be moving over, or are you kind of, handling them simultaneously?
It's kind of simultaneously.
Okay. So
It,
you don't need the funds from this purchase or for this
no,
sale to get over to what you're trying to do.
no,
Okay.
no.
That's
Okay,
perfect.
well, my showing's here, so I hate to cut you off, but I'm going to do that. So,
Yeah, absolutely. And one more quick question before we go, and we can schedule some more time if need be. Assuming we do come in all cash and cover all closing costs. I mean, what would you need to absolutely walk away with on this? To get what you need accomplished.
well, closer to the 199 that I'm asking, the better.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
well,
Well,
guys, wait. So I'm gonna have to cut you off. Okay.
yeah. When's the best time I can give you a call back?
Um, Probably around noon.
Around noon. Okay. Yeah, I'll give you a call around let's say 1:30. Just call it 1:30, and we can go over some more details and see where we land.
Okay, sounds good.
Awesome, Frank. You have a good day, man. Talk to you soon.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye.
That lead wasn't even qualified. I don't even know how I even put that up. Maybe I was thinking seller finance on it. I'm not sure. Well, this is a quick little video, a quick little offer. If you like these videos, man, you want to see more offers, you want to see more calls, hit that like button, tap that bell so you don't miss no more videos. Subscribe. It's your boy Caleb, and I'm going to see y'all in the next one.